Here is a brief video reviewing everything that you need to know for the lab apparatus quiz. Also, I want to point out on this list, it says iron ring without attachment. It's supposed to say iron ring stand, or you could call it support stand. So let's go through the drawers real quick. In the top drawer, you have the graduated cylinder. You have a 100 milliliter, 50 milliliter, and a 10 milliliter. Test tube brush is not supposed to be in there. And then you have a beaker. So you should have 400 milliliter beaker. This one's a 250 milliliter beaker. These are the Erlenmeyer flasks. These are the 250 milliliter Erlenmeyer flasks. As we go down the next drawer, you have the gas collecting jars or bottles, or also called the wide mouth collecting bottles. The evaporating dish, notice it has that spout on it. This is the watch glass. Looks like a giant contact lens. A crucible with a crucible lid. Then you have the glass plate. Now on your paper with the pictures on it, it says ceramic square, but please change it to glass plate. And then you will have paper towels on the bottom drawer. That's not on your test. In the cabinet you have a funnel, a burner with rubber tubing. So this is rubber tubing with a burner. You have your test tubes and your test tube rack. This wooden thing is the test tube rack. And then you have the support stand and your distilled water bottle or wash bottle. In the drawer over here, you have your iron rings. You have a large iron ring and a small iron ring. You have your wire gauze, your beaker tongs, and the beaker tongs are flat if you lay them horizontal. The clay triangle, the flame spreader or wing top, the spatula. This is the spatula. This is the flint striker. This is not on your diagram page. So some of you drew the picture from the board, some of you missed it. So just so you know, this is the flint striker. This is the forceps. They look like tweezers, but they're forceps. This is the triangular file. We have the crucible tongs. This is the scupula with the wooden handle. These are the test tube holders, or a test tube holder. And you should have a burning spoon, or also known as a melting spoon. And I believe that is it. So, good luck!